Okay guys, today we're gonna try and find a bird. Yeah, I think it's a crow, and I should know, because I'm the documentary person and stuff. So follow me. Follow me, mate. Come on, you stupid cameraman.
Ow!
You shut up!
The fence hurt.
Shut up, you idiot!
Okay.
I'm trying to find a bird
I'm sorry.
in this rare environment on a golf course.
I don't even know whose land this is.
Me neither. We're filming it. We're having an awesome documentary. Huh? Hurry up!
I zoomed in on your face.
Shut up!
By the way, your identity's gonna go online.
I don't care, mate. I'm a documentary specialist.
But shouldn't we look up for birds?
Oh, shut up! I'm a documentary guy. I know what I'm doing.
I'm the one who's bloody filming it.
Shut up!
Don't hit my camera.
I don't care about the camera.
Come on, it's the new iPhone 7.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Anyway,
No, I'm kidding. It's just the new. Ow! Oh, bird feather. Hold on, let's zoom in on it. Zoom in on it.
so,
Hold it up.
okay, so this is a rare species bird feather.
Hold on, hold it up.
It's from South America, because that's where we are.
Boy, we're not in South America.
Okay, so, gotta keep this. Hey, you idiot.
I'm still posting this on YouTube.
We're gonna
It can have cuss words in it too.
find that bird.
That fucker.
No.
Look, we found a fucking golf ball.
Dang. What
More money, bitch.
Well, I told you we were on a golf course. You're a natural habitat.
Quit fucking falling over
Shut
everything, faggot.
Look, I'm a documentary.
We're not going in that person's yard.
Huh? Oh, okay. He's my old friend Joe. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
No,
fine.
it's not. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta find that bird.
You know, I'm not gonna be your cameraman if you keep calling me an idiot.
Okay.
You asshat.
Yeah, yeah.
As long as you don't call me an idiot, I don't care what you call me.
Okay, I'm gonna call you.
Asshat.
What thing?
I'm asshat and you're Agent Fuckboy.
No.
Agent what?
Asian documentary.
My audio is gonna be so horrible.
I don't care. Now. So we have.
Oh shit.
Wait, stop. Stop. I know what I'm doing. No documentary specialist.
What is with all this tactical walking?
Mate.
We're not from Britain, by the way. He's just putting on an accent. You could fucking step over that leaf.
Please, with my plastic knife.
The fucking knife is so wimpy, bro. I can snap these with my fingers. No, wait, hold on. Show the video. Show the video of the knife.
Yeah.
That's how pussy the knife is. It's clear. Ow, fuck.
Come on.
I really hope my mom doesn't see this.
I don't think. I think I lost myself. Well,
I think you did too, dipshit.
I think I lost my marbles around. That's why I was doing this video.
No, we're on the right trail because I smell bird, but you can go. You can go through that.
You have a feather. Hey, film me. I'm the documentary specialist.
You're a fucking cunt. That's what you are.
Shut up.
Oh shit! He pointed the knife towards me. Hey, look, there's a rare tire over there.
Crap. Come on, man.
This filming's gonna be so shitty.
Oh, jeez.
Oh shit, that smells horrible. I think we just ran into a leech bed or some shit. It smells so bad back there.
No, I think we should end the stuff around.
Okay.